Hello friends, in P block elements today we will discuss about the simple oxides. As you know very well, generally oxides are three types: simple oxides, peroxides and superoxides. So let us discuss about the simple oxides and mixed oxides. So oxides, here we have to discuss two types: simple oxides and mixed oxides. Mixed oxides are Pb3O4, generally is a mixture of two oxide, Pb2O3 and PbO combined together form Pb3O4. Like that, this is called plumboplumbic oxide, ferroferric oxide, FeO, Fe2O3. Two types of oxides are here, so combined it is called Fe3O4. Another one is there, Mn3O4. Simple oxides are further divided into four types: acidic oxides, basic oxides, amphoteric oxides and neutral oxides. This topic is not new for you. You know very well acidic oxide, the oxides which give acids uh, by hydrolysis, means reaction with water, called acidic oxides. So as we know that majority non-metal oxides are acidic oxides, metal oxides are basic oxides, semi-metal oxides are amphoteric oxides. So this is the definition of acidic oxides. So nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, chlorine oxide, carbon dioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. Let us take one reaction. See, if you take any oxide out of these oxides, the reaction with water, it gives acid. Uh, Sulfur dioxide with water gives sulfurous acid. Similar way, NO2 with water gives nitric acid, chloric acid, okay, H2CO3, carbonic acid. So different acids are obtained by reaction with water. So all oxides, see here, non-metal oxide, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, carbon and nitrogen, all are non-metal. See, second oxide is the basic oxide. Before that, one some D block oxides having higher oxidation states, like chromium trioxide, here +6, here +7, here +5. So these type of oxides of D block element, these are the transition metals: chromium, manganese and vanadium. So the oxides having higher oxidation states are acidic in nature. Generally we said earlier that metallic oxides are basic. So especially these metals are of S block elements metal. But in D block, those metals having higher oxidation state, they are acidic in nature. Second is the basic oxides. Definition is same: with water gives base, called basic oxides. Let us take one oxide, sodium oxide, with water gives sodium hydroxide. You know very well sodium hydroxide is base. So majority metallic oxides are basic in nature, especially S block elements, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. Three examples are given here. All oxides are basic of group number 1 and group number 2. But I have written here only three: sodium oxide, calcium oxide, barium oxide. Sodium oxide gives sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide gives calcium hydroxide, barium oxide gives barium hydroxide. Third type oxide is the amphoteric oxide, and that one is most important. Is asked, some metallic oxides behaves as acid as well as base. Okay, acid as well as base, called amphoteric oxide. जिस ऑक्साइड के पास एसिडिक नेचर भी है, बेसिक नेचर भी है, उसको एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स हम बोलते हैं. तो ऐसा एक ऑक्साइड वेल नोन है इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में, वो एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड. सो सी हियर, they can react with a acid as well as react with a base. When that oxide react with a acid, then oxide acts as a base, and when it react with a base, it acts as a acid. See, two reactions are given, both reactions asked in exam. Sometime you are asked to prove that aluminium oxide is the amphoteric oxides in 2 marks. You are asked in exam this one reaction 1 mark and this second reaction 2 marks. Only two reactions you have to prepare. So see here, aluminium oxide when react with a sodium hydroxide, aqueous solution, it gives a sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate, and this is the complex. This is a complex compound, so prepare it well. Aluminium oxide, when react with acid, it form another complex salt. See, we have to study complex salt in 12th standard 9th chapter of part 1. So at that time we will discuss the name of this complex compound, but prepare both the reactions very well by writing in your book. Okay, it's a stoichiometry also very easy, 163 and here is 169. Okay, and prepare this complex compound. Both reactions are most important so far as exam is concerned. Next one is the neutral oxide. Okay, the oxide which are neither acidic nor basic. बहुत ही बढ़िया है, ये भी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है. Neither acidic nor basic, called neutral oxide, and these already we have discussed in redox reactions also. Okay, so carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide and nitrous oxide. Okay, that formula also I have given you. Only 3 oxides are there neutral. Frequently asked in exam, which of the following is acidic oxide, which of the following is basic oxides, and which of the following is a neutral oxide. So this carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide and nitrous oxide, these 3 oxides are neutral oxides in inorganic chemistry. So this is all about the oxides. And my friends, prepare these 2 reactions very well, already given in our textbook also. This is amphoteric oxide. So many oxides are amphoteric in inorganic chemistry, but according to this chapter this one is most important, so prepare it well. And in the next video we will discuss about the preparation, properties and uses of ozone. Thank you friends.